Welcome back to the Paycheck Project. Today, we are putting our spreadsheets down, grabbing a lukewarm beverage, and diving into the most complicated, most divisive topic facing modern productivity experts: bread. Yes, bread. This seemingly simple amalgamation of flour, water, and yeast is, in fact, a labyrinth of hidden costs, terrible decisions, and confusing market volatility that could derail your entire financial outlook. Now, if you're a high performer, you've probably heard the ancient wisdom: cut the carbs. But we aren't here for health advice, people. We're here to analyze the optimization pipeline and the financial toxicity of the loaf. The first problem is the procurement strategy. Do you go artisanal, or do you settle for the mass-produced white loaf, the ultimate non-performing asset in your pantry portfolio? White bread. It's cheap, it's fast, and it offers almost zero nutritional or psychological ROI. It's basically the equivalent of investing your life savings in a company that makes decorative novelty spoons. But the real financial vortex lies in the aspirational bread market, the sourdough sector. Sourdough requires commitment. It demands a starter, which is just a pet you can't cuddle, but you must feed. And if you buy it ready-made, you are paying a ridiculous premium for someone else's fermentation obsession and artisanal beard sweat. A decent artisanal loaf is running you $7 to $9. That's nearly 2 coffees. Are you truly deriving $9 worth of joy from a fermented crust? Because statistically, you are not. The key metric here is the consumption velocity. How fast does that loaf disappear before the dreaded mold event occurs? We call this fungus risk. Because once the fuzzy green takes hold, you've converted a usable asset into 100% waste. You failed the market. You need a better inventory management system, people. Buy a smaller loaf. Or better yet, stop buying the loaf. Moving on to execution, toast. Toast requires an energy expenditure and therefore an electric bill. Every time you push that lever down, you are incurring a microtransaction. You're trading energy for slightly crispy sadness. Now, some highly delusional individuals are thinking, I'll save money. I'll bake my own. Oh, you sweet summer intern. Baking is not saving money. Baking is acquiring a crippling hobby, buying $300 worth of specialized equipment you use twice, and spending 3 hours achieving a result that looks like a concrete brick. You are effectively trading your most valuable asset, your focused, high-leverage time, for a slightly worse loaf and 1,000 extra dishes. This is negative arbitrage, folks. Stop doing it. Pay the baker. So, what's the optimal bread strategy for the highly optimized, high-achieving individual? This is where the data gets controversial. Outsource the entire operation. Find a person who already has the starter, the expensive oven, and the existential dread from running a small business. Pay them $9 for the loaf. Remember, every decision you make, even the decision to consume a simple carbohydrate, impacts your entire life algorithm. Don't be passive in your consumption choices. Be a highly engaged consumer analyst. That's it for this deep dive into the macroeconomics of baked goods. Go forth, manage your inventory wisely, and we'll see you next time on the Paycheck Project. Don't forget to like and subscribe because, frankly, analyzing bread takes up valuable time we could be using to analyze, the true ROI of those tiny hotel soap bars.